made it, Randy.
Yes, we did.
Well, we've done the thing again. We're traveling. We are in Florence just at the moment picking up a car, but we're headed down to Siena, to Tuscany and Umbria, and we'll be down there for 7 days, 8 days, I think. Yay! Yeah, so we just checked over our rental car and we are good to go, we think. So we're gonna hit these highways and see what happens. Autostrada. So, guess what? I'm driving and Randy's navigating, and I have to say that it is prettier here than I anticipated. I did not think the photos would do it justice, but the drive from Florence to Siena is breathtaking. Our Airbnb is located about 20 minutes south of Siena, Italy, and it's about an hour from the Florence airport. And we are staying in a little Airbnb just outside of the village of Ville de Corsano. And it is quite lovely, great views, clean, comfy bed. We can even see Siena from our Airbnb. Today, we are spending our day in Siena, Italy. And as you can see, the Piazza del Campo is quite the gathering area. This is also the spot where the famous traditional medieval horse race is held twice a year, and it's called the Palio di Siena. In the background, you can see the tower. It's known as the Torre del Magi, but it's called the Tower of Eater. It is named after the first guardian of the bell tower, who was known to spend all his money on food. The tower is also the same height as the Duomo in Siena because it is a symbol as church and state having equal power. It's interesting facts. Some fun facts about Randy and I. We enjoy sitting and watching people, having a glass of wine, a cup of coffee. He likes a good cigar. And I've learned to really like Aperol Spritz. Well, we're off. We're headed to our first Airbnb experience because that's what we booked. And it is a cooking class, and we are going to make pasta and tiramisu. Right, Randy? So just a side note, but these are the roads that we take from our Airbnb outside of the Ville de Corsano to Siena. They are tight, they are 2-lane, and the houses sit right on the road. So quite curvy, quite fun to drive, as long as you don't meet a big truck. Got spinach, ricotta, fresh nutmeg, and a dash of salt, a dash of white pepper. What else, Randy?
Cheese.
Oh, and a couple cheeses. Yes, the grated Parmesan cheese. And we're mixing it up. This is our filling for our ravioli. Oh, it looks so good. Yum.
L'impasto deve essere omogeneo, quindi
Mix it quite well. How do we do on our tiramisu?
Very good.
Ooh, look at that. Got a little.
dig down to the biscuits.
So there's a little balcony of our friend that we just had pasta and tiramisu making class with. And
Oh, it was fabulous. The ravioli that we made, it tasted nothing like what we've experienced in the States.
So
The lady that is the head cook, she was just such a wonderful person, and she had a lady there as a translator, which made communication just so easy.
Yep.
And the translator was, an amazing woman too. And
Yeah.
we're just so thankful that
it was
we
good.
crossed paths with them.
It was good. Good.
Yes, very good.
Highly recommend it.
5-star.
Yes, it'll be in my description below. We made it back to the Ville de Corsano. I'm sure I'm not saying that right, but anyway, we made it back finally. It's a long day, right, Randy?
Yep.
Long afternoon.
But we're fixing that problem.
We are. There's a local watering hole just right downtown, and there's only a post office, and there is some locals over there gathering, and there's a little restaurant over there, and then the one we're sitting at is also a restaurant. We ate here. Oops, my fingers. We ate here a couple nights ago.
Osteria.
What?
This is called Osteria.
Osteria, Randy said, is the name of this little place. And the chef was so nice. He came up to the table and he gave us a bottle of champagne for our 35th wedding anniversary, which is what we're celebrating. So that was fun. And the food was good. So we're thinking we may sit here for the evening. Yep, sit here for the evening, have a few glasses of wine, enjoy another meal. So just FYI, this video just covers our time in Siena and our cooking class and the little village that we stayed just outside of Siena. And the rest of our videos are coming. So we've gone to Florence, we went to Rome, we've done Sorrento, we went over to the Chianti region to a small village called Spello. So many other ones are coming. So also some vineyards that we visited, 3 different ones, very different vineyards. And they were all just wonderful in their own way. So please join us for some future videos. Happy trails, y'all.